Alright, welcome to a new episode of Yoga Revealed. Now, let's do a quick recap of the previous episode where we were discussing the three areas of life that we have to fix in order to have a pretty amazing life. If you remember those three areas are, come on, health, relationships, and finances. Now, in this episode, we're going to take a look at the first part of it, that is the health. How do we fix health? Now, on in recent times, because of COVID, health has come under the scanner a lot, and a lot of people are looking to fix their health, probably including you as well. Now, I'm going to reveal to you the four phases of health improvement which you need to fix your health. What are those? What are those four phases? First things first. Now, health can be broadly divided into two parts, mental health and physical health. Although these two things are very connected and they have a very huge impact on the other, these two can be categorized as mental health and physical health. And for this reason, we're going to have a two-pronged approach to health, that is the mental part of it and the physical part of it. Now, Now, in order to fix your health, there are a couple of very important steps which we need to take. So, suppose we have an illness. Every illness has a source. For example, if you have a cold, right? Now the cold will have a source. A cold is a virus, a rhinovirus, a common cold. So this virus will have a source. Maybe it's already there in your body, maybe it's come from outside or something like that. Healing every illness requires a two-pronged approach. First, stop the source. Second, heal the symptoms. Now, every illness or an ailment has a source. For example, if you are, say, holding your pen incorrectly and you start developing wrist pain, now you wouldn't know where it is from. But we got to figure out that, oh my god, you're holding the pen incorrectly while you're writing, or maybe you're positioning your hands incorrectly while you're typing and therefore developing wrist pain or something like that. So we got to correct the way you're placing your hands on your keyboard, first thing. Second, we have to work on healing the nerves and the joints which are damaged, right? So this is the two-pronged approach. Let's take another example. Suppose you have fever. Fever can be because of many reasons. One of the most common reasons is some sort of a bacterial infection in your intestines. So again, let's apply the two-pronged approach. Fix the source, heal the symptoms. In fixing the source of the problem is the bacteria which is accumulating in your stomach. The bacteria accumulates in your stomach because of a condition called hypochlorhydria, meaning your stomach acid is not acidic enough. Therefore, all these unwanted bacteria can breed and grow in your stomach and go to your intestines as well. To fix this and to correct the source of the problem, we need to fix the stomach acid levels. The second part of it, how to get rid of the bacteria which is already accumulated in your stomach. This is very simple. We've got a lot of treatment protocols to get rid of these bacteria. A course of antibiotics can fix this, or there are foods which help you to get rid of the bad gut bacteria. You can make tea and drink. You can have a lot of herbs which are available, especially in India, which can very easily get rid of the bad bacteria in your stomach. So I hope this makes it clear for you. The two-pronged approach, get rid of the source and heal the symptoms. Now, when it comes to a lot of illnesses, the source is mental, in the mind. So if you observed, the intestinal bacteria came into your intestines or your stomach because your stomach acid wasn't great. Now, how do you fix stomach acid? For that, you need to understand why the stomach acid isn't acidic enough. There is one simple reason for this. It is called stress, and stress is here. So all we have to do is fix that. So the source of stress has to be removed. This is very important. Once the source gets removed, the body tends to automatically correct itself, and therefore your stomach acids will be restored quite quickly. There are lots of treatments which can help you to restore your stomach acid levels as well, but all of those will be weakened drastically if you're undergoing a lot of stress. Therefore, we got to remove the source of the stress. Once that happens, your body will tend to heal very quickly and it will accept the treatments really, really quickly. So, first part, treat the source. Cut the source where it is. Like, for example, if you are having mold in your home, no matter what level of medication you take, you will not be able to stop yourself from falling sick. You have to get rid of the mold. That is where, that's what I'm referring to. You have to stop the source of the illness, heal the symptoms. Now, to accurately execute these two, in Vayuputra Academy, we use 4 steps. These 4 steps are Karma Visarjana, Pranayama, Maypadam, and a clean diet. Now, what are these things? Karma Visarjana. Karma here refers to the logic in your mind which is causing you to fall ill, causing the sickness in you. The second is pranayama. Pranayama is a combination of breathing and mind exercises. This is not pranayama. This is not the pranayama which you have learned outside. This pranayama has never been taught outside of our akhada, and it is a very, very secret practice. And that's what you're going to be learning. This pranayama, the breathing exercises, are going to involve a lot of bandhas, a lot of not just the bandhas, not just the mudras. It's going to involve a lot of the mind exercises, which is going to really amplify the effects of the pranayama. Second is Maypadam. Maypadam is a very ancient art. It's a very ancient warrior art of training the body to heal itself and to become strong. Maypadam is a Tamil word which simply means the body lessons. These are lessons which your body is trying to teach you to get healthy, but most of us are busy ignoring it. And so this has been developed into a very, very nice art, a bunch of exercises which will help you to detox and heal yourself very rapidly. And the fourth is nutrition, eating the right food at the right time. This is very important. If you've observed, our world is filled with toxins these days. It's extremely polluted. We use pesticides, insecticides, all sorts of chemicals, and literally there's plastic everywhere. If you just Google the word microplastic, you'll begin to understand. And because of this, there is a very, very great need right now to eat properly and drink the proper water, and just take care of yourself, take care of the kind of things you're putting into your body. This is very, very important right now. And so at Vayuputra Academy, we focus on these 4 things to heal literally pretty much any disease that's out there. Now, if you're interested in getting healed, and if you're interested in seeing what you actually feel like, what your body actually feels like when it's absolutely healed and really, really strong, subscribe to this channel. And if you like the direction this channel is taking, and so please subscribe, please share this video with your friends, and hopefully we'll have more people in the next video and we can discuss this much further. All right, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. If you just one quick thing, if you want a video on a particular topic, please leave it in the comments below and I'll work on getting the video done. All right, thank you so much. See you, take care, bye bye.